Hi everyone, welcome to Tech World. Today I'm going to guide you through how to recover AOL mail account using your iPhone. Watch the video till the end to learn how. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming update from us. If you're trying to log into your AOL mail account, but you've forgotten your password for your account and are stuck in the login area, then follow the steps. Make sure to open up AOL Mail app and from the main homepage, tap the human icon located at the upper left-hand corner and tap on the Sign In button in the expanded pop-up menu. You'll be able to open up a web browser where you can see the signing area for your AOL Mail account. Go ahead and type in your username, your email or your mobile number associated with your AOL Mail account. Once you do that, tap Next right where you can see the password box. If you remember the password during the process, type it in the password text box. But in case you've forgotten your password and you'd like to recover your account, tap on Forgot Password link right beneath the Next button. You need to verify with a code that will be sent to your mobile number associated with AOL Mail account. Tap on Yes, send me your code. Or if you don't have a mobile number available to you, then tap on Try another way to sign in. I would like to receive a verification code on my phone number. So let me tap on Yes, send me a code. On the next page, you'll need to type in a 6 characters code that will be sent to your mobile number. Once you receive the number, paste it in or type it in. And finally tap Verify. On the next page you'll get to choose or create a new password for your account. Type in the new password that you'd like to reset to into the text box. Once you type in the password that you can easily remember, tap the Continue button. You can choose to update your password for the system so that next time you can easily log into your account without having to type in these information by tapping on Update Password. Once you do that, on the next page, if you want to add a recovery method to your account to keep it secure, you can go ahead and enter a recovery email. By adding a recovery email, you'll be able to recover your account if you lose access to a login information. Next time you try to log in with the account, you can skip this step for now by tapping on Remind Me Later, or I simply tap on Add Email or Mobile Number and follow the on-screen prompts. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to recover your AOL Mail account's password right away. Next time you try to log into your account, you'll need to type in the new password that you just reset to. That is how you can easily recover your AOL Mail account even if you've forgotten your password for your account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.